We are here today in San Pedro, California at the World of Wonders Expo. It's here at a place called Wunderkammer. It's a new curiosity store, and this is their first event like this they've done. So we're gonna head in and check it out. They got about 100 vendors, some live sideshows going on. So let's check it out together. Thrills, chills, and good meals. Heading into Wunderkammer. As soon as you walk in the door, tons of booths, lots of religious artifacts that we love. So we know we're gonna find some good stuff here. This booth is called United Society of Sin. We saw them into blasphemy. They have all kinds of genuine human skulls and bones. There's some vertebrae in there, pieces of jawbone. Very, very unique. We're gonna go inside because they have some crazy displays in there. Skull, got some femurs, some tibial bones, you name it, you can probably find it here at United Society of Sin's booth. I'm sure there's a meaning behind the nails inside the Bibles. I'm not sure what it is, a burn. That looks very blasphemous right there, so they're definitely living up to their name, United Society of Sin. And this is probably the craziest piece they have over here, United Society of Sin. It's an actual human skeleton. Looks like he's crucified on this big cross. I'm gonna call it almost like a frame. That is insane. And they have wafers over here, so you wanna do your sacrament, and even a little place to kneel. We're at the Divine Darkness Woodwork booth. We have never seen these tables before. We all get excited when we see new vendors versus people we normally see at all of our events. So this is something we have never seen and we are loving. Maria loves, of course, this alien table. And inside is all kinds of little hidden stuff also he's showing us. And this is my favorite, the Ouija board table. Absolutely beautiful. We would love to have any of these tables in our house and home, that's for sure. We're having a great time here at the show. World of Wonders has tons of different booths here that we've never seen before, but we just found one that we really enjoy, we see all the time. Here's our favorite guy, Twigs Morg, making all of his amazing rabbits. Love these scaredy cats. And Ray just got her two really cool little hobo clowns to add to her clown collection. But he brings this casket filled with all of the crazy handmade dolls that he creates. And we just found out that he actually lives here in San Pedro. We see him all the time. We never even knew that. So that's really cool too. But he does incredible work. Check him out online. He has all kinds of dolls. He can make you pretty much anything you want if you had an idea. But he does great work. We have tons and tons of his pieces at home. Yeah, always appreciate seeing Twigs Morg and try to support him any chance we get. And we love everything religious, so they have tons of crucifixes here. They have more stuff here than actually the Oddity show did in Del Mar. So we are just loving it. We've already bought a bunch of things, like I said, add to our collection, and we are still going. And if you're looking for custom lamps, you can get it right here also. Look at this one right here. It's an elk spine with a red shade. It's all custom animal bones here at World of Wonders. And we found more creepy dolls. This booth is called Dark Egos. And this lady makes all these dolls herself also. Love this devil baby and a little pram stroller. Very, very amazing original artwork. As soon as we walked in the door, Maria found her favorite booth, Sweet Siren, that we see at many of our conventions, including Midsummer Scream and Moxapalooza. Found her a really cool dress. I'm gonna walk through the vendor area and just show you some of the really cool things we've seen here. We already made tons of purchases, and the funny thing is, there are tons and tons of clown booths here. And as we know, Maria loves clowns, so she's having a field day. Got some socks, clown socks of course, They have jewelry, a lot of custom-made things that we've never seen before. Lots of jewelry designers here, as well as custom clothes. So a lot less spooksy boo stuff here and more gothic and everything else that we're seeing. So very, very different from a lot of the shows we go to. So if you want more of an adult atmosphere, this is definitely a place to come check out. There were some kids here, and we saw a little show earlier that I'm glad I wasn't recording, because went from fully dressed lady to pretty much naked lady doing some very, very disturbing things with a balloon. And there were little tiny kids in the audience, and the parents literally had to take them by the hand and tell them, all right kids, we gotta go, and led them out at that time. 2 little boys were ready, but 1 little boy was very mischievous and he did not want to leave. He was enjoying the show immensely. But yeah, so if you're coming here, parental guidance advisory for sure. Lots of vintage clothes here as well. Seeing stuff that's from like the 40s and 50s here. Now, we're in San Pedro, so I don't know if that's something to do with it, but it is pricey here. I won't say it's not. But you can always find some good deals if you shop around, which is what we're doing. And we've already bought a lot of stuff, but we've got some really good deals, so we are appreciating it. Keeping with the clown theme, here at Ghoulish Delight booth, they have the cutest clown at the antique store, as well as some dolls, some medical equipment, some skulls, a little bit of everything. But yeah, a lot of religious artifacts here. So I am cleaning up, definitely adding to our crucifix wall at home. I have not found a rosary here yet, surprisingly, but you know, Maria's got tons of clowns, so I gotta keep up with my collection as well. So definitely appreciating all the religious stuff. And this is the booth where we cleaned up at. It's called Obscurious. Maria got like 3 or 4 clowns from here, I believe. I got a couple crucifixes. We went a little wild on this one. They had excellent prices, like a little globe, $15. Very, very reasonable. So when we find people that are reasonable, we definitely endorse that and we support them. They still have tons of clowns left, tons of items. There is DJs going on here. It is inside of a building, so it's pretty loud, but we're doing the best we can and just enjoying it. And like I said, looking for those deals. Ray is happy. She found a guy with a clown. Who is a clown? Now we have some animal heads. We got Lily the fox, Francisco the fox, so all different fox heads. Cooper the coyote right there, the big head. But my favorite taxidermy here in this booth are the punk crocs. They are punk rocker crocodiles. Those are amazing. And those are real baby crocodiles or gators, but they are perfect. Oh, I see. Okay, so the skinnier snouts are the crocs, and these are burlesque gators with the wider snouts. But again, here at the Gold Dust Collective, and these are all real animals. And if you want some sweets while you're here, the Sugar Haze menu has fresh baked cookies. Maria just got her some s'mores cookies. 2 cookies for $7, but they look delicious and they are good size. So we got our Sugar Haze cookies. We're gonna try it out right there. That is a s'mores flavor, some marshmallow, chocolate chips, and we just realized in the back, even had the graham cracker in there. So we're gonna taste that now. Taking a first bite of that delicious looking cookie. I guess that's our breakfast or lunch. Marie just bit into her cookie. The middle of hers is full of chocolate. Wow, they did not skimp on that whatsoever. And they're really sweet, but they're like honey sweet. So they are delicious. So we are enjoying our s'mores cookies. If you ever see Sugar Haze cookies at any event, we highly recommend them. 2 thumbs up for the s'mores cookies. They have like 7 or 8 different flavors also, so we may have to try something different next time, but the s'mores, definitely 2 thumbs up.
Yummy.
Here's some more original art. These are all stained glass. This is amazing. And I love, she actually put how long it took. So this piece of stained glass right here, it took her 27 hours to make. And it is so heavy. It is like incredible. It must weigh at least 5 pounds, that little sign right there. But it is beautiful, we love it. She has tons and tons of work over here and lots of stuff to choose from. One thing we did not expect to see here at this Odyssey show is a man riding around on a bicycle selling ice cream cookies. Does not really fit into our event here, but really cool to see, and we are glad he's here. Here is CJ Farmsworth. We just bought us a nice ice cream cookie. He showed me he makes the cookies all himself at home, so we had to try it. So mint chip ice cream. So thank you very much. That is awesome. Never know what you're gonna see at any of our oddity shows. And he's literally riding around here on his bike selling ice cream. So I couldn't say no to that. So here is my fresh made ice cream sandwich. There's a mint chip. And I just tried a little piece of a cookie and almost like a ginger snap. I was not expecting that at all. So let's try it all together and see how that tastes. $6 here from the little ice cream guy on his bicycle. CK Farnsworth, you are the man. I love your bike and I love your ice cream and your cookie. That is delicious. So another win here for the World of Wonders Oddity Show. Get yourself a $6 mint chip. Amazing. He had strawberry chocolate, but I'm a mint chip guy. Definitely glad I went with that. And the ginger snaps were a really good surprise. So very cool. 2 thumbs up. So we've already been at the event for 4 hours. Started at 11 a.m. It's about 3:30 right now. It goes to 6 o'clock tonight. Taking our first seat, enjoying my ice cream sandwich still, and just enjoying the whole vibe here. Different shows going on. Like I said, there's more of the Torture King. Now, a lot of the shows that are going on here are not PG, not even PG-13. It's pretty, yeah, we've seen a lot of stuff we would not be able to film or put on here, so we're just filming what we can. There's a lot of inappropriate soaps here, if you can say what I mean. A lot of artwork here, and the shows definitely can't show. So, we're gonna show what we can, have the best day we can. We're still gonna go into the actual Wunderkammer store when we're done into the little event center here, because that store is amazing also. It's crazy. We came when it first opened. So we don't normally do raffles, but $5 for a raffle ticket and you can win all this stuff up here. So not that many people here. We decided to give it a chance. So we got 2 raffle tickets. You can win some cool art. Love this picture right here. But I will show you what we're going for. For $5, you could win that vampire killing kit. That is what we want. If we won that, I will be ecstatic. So they're gonna do a drawing in about 5 minutes. We're gonna see if we win. Gonna be positive. We're not very lucky when it comes to drawings, but we're gonna try it. Here are our tickets. We have about 4 minutes till the drawing. We got number 45 and 46. So we're hoping for good luck. They're bringing all this stuff up on stage now. There's some big elongated skulls, the vampire kit, crucifix, all kinds of cool things we can possibly win. So we'll see what happens.
Vampire kit shadow box right there.
That's what we want. That's what I'm going for right there. Vampire shadow box.
We have ticket number 6619986.
Oh, damn, that is. That was our time at the World of Wonders Oddity Show. They just did the raffle. You had to be present to win, which I don't think they told people, so a lot of people weren't here, but unfortunately, we still were losers. Yeah, we don't do very good at anything like that, but hey, we tried. $10 down, not a big deal. They had some really cool prizes, but we got nothing. So we're out of here. We got some really cool pieces we actually did buy for our house. Actually got a lot of pieces, art and everything else. So had a good day. Wish the parking had been better, but it is what it is. So thank you for joining us. Thrills, chills, and good meals, San Pedro, Wunderkammer. We will come back again and hopefully do another one of these shows soon. But thank you very much and good night.